Assalamualaikum and very good day everyone. My name is Yang Umar bin Aziman. You can call me Coach Umar. I'm a master trainer for Global Online Workforce programmed by MDEC. Today I'm going to be your instructor for Digital Workforce subject. For today's lesson, I'm going to share with you about other potential digital platform that you can try at your home. How does this platform works? First of all, you have to sign up and complete your profile as a freelancer. It's very simple process and the system will assist you step by step. Remember that finding new project in your expertise area will depend mostly on what you show on your online profile. This is the tips to achieve high quality profile. Your client need to know your specific skills and to be certain you need to know how experienced they seek. That's why it's so important to pick your profile category very carefully as well as your expertise area and if appropriate to show your best work as samples in your portfolio. Once your profile is complete, you can start browsing freelance projects and filtering them by category and skills. When you find a project that matches your profile and skills, you can send a bid to the client stating how much you will charge for the job and why you think you are the best choice. If your bid is convincing to the client, they will accept it and make an escrow payment. Then, you will get a notification from the system to let you know you can now start working on the project. And once assigned, work is delivered. The client will release the disbursement to your account. Finally, you will rate each other. Rating and comment will appear on the rating section for both profiles. The system allows you to send a certain amount of weekly bids according to your ranking and your membership plan. It's perfectly normal for starters not to have an accurate idea about how much you should charge for your work. No doubt, price will be one of the decisive factors to be considered by client at the time of choosing who will be assigned for their project, mostly when dealing with a freelancer with no reputation yet. If that case is your case, you have to sacrifice your price a bit on the first few bids, which doesn't mean that competitiveness in crowdsourcing platform is in any way determined by who has the cheapest fee. At the very beginning, you should ideally bid by the market average. That is to say, how much other freelancers are charging for similar work. As you start building your reputations with experience and comment from clients, you will be in improved conditions to increase your fees and sell your work like an investment in exchange for a good return. Once you have completed a project and disbursement has been released, it will be credited to your account. Freelancers have several alternatives to withdraw this money. Some of the payment methods you can choose from are PayPal, Payoneer, or bank transfer to get your money straight to your bank account. Each of these have different commission, so I suggest that you check which work better for you. So now I'm going to share with you the best crowdsourcing platform in the market right now. For the first platform is Upwork. Upwork is a great place to find more clients and to run and grow your business as a digital agency. One of the advantages of Upwork is the wide variety and most of the job is the highest paid. Clients are now posting jobs in hundreds of skill categories, paying top price for great work. The greater the success you have on project, the more likely you are to get hired by clients that use Upwork. How do you get hired by client in Upwork? It all starts by creating a great profile and submitting a compelling job proposal. Getting work online is a lot like a traditional searching. You submit application on project that impress the potential client before being offered the project. Second is Workana. The general purpose behind Workana is to offer a safe place where client can post their project and freelancer can apply for them. In this way, client can choose the freelancer they want to work with according to the quality of the proposal, fees, ranking on the site, and work rating from other clients. Third is Fiverr. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for digital service. So, if you have a talent, you can share your talent with other buyer community and make money while you are at it. Whether you are a graphic designer, programmer, content writer, translator, or voiceover artist, Fiverr has place for you. Your gig is the service that you can sell on Fiverr. Creating a gig is the opportunity to show off your talent and provide buyers with all the information they need. to help them to decide to do business with you. Adding a video to introduce your service is one of the best ways to attract buyers. It adds a personal touch to the service you are adding. Package is a way for you to offer 3 different compelling bundles to sell on your gig page. It's a great new way to give your buyers even more choice and push your average order value higher. The sky is your limit. Next is people per hour. People Power connects clients to expert freelancers who are available to hire by hour or project. How to start with People Power? Complete an online application to join exclusive People Power freelancer community. Every application is reviewed and approved by moderation team, ensuring only the best freelancers are matched to the client projects. Once you approve, you will gain access to a stream of projects with international client community. Now you are ready to provide your service of thousands of business. Go get them. Next platform is Guru.com. Guru.com is a freelance platform where independent professionals collaborate with employers all over the world. This marketplace is a pool of freelancers with their own field of expertise. Guru.com hosts individuals and groups who offer service in more than 8 categories. This allows the employer to carefully select the freelancer or guru who has the right set of skills that match the specific requirement. Additionally, Guru.com is an easy-to-use service. Business can search for freelancer or post a job and receive proposals straight from the homepage. Next is Prozee.com. What makes Prozee unique? Prozee is an online community and workplace for language professionals. Focusing on freelancers and works they do, Prozee.com is a unique, effective place for outsourcers to meet capable freelancers and translation companies. Next platform is Envato. Market Envato sells everything from audio to web templates and WordPress plugins, and stock photography too. What can you sell? Everything that's digital and creative, from website templates to stock footage. Next platform is Shutterstock. For most stock photographer and illustrator, Shutterstock consistently outperforms all other agencies. If you are thinking of getting started as microstock photographer, make sure Shutterstock is one of the top of your list to join. For many contributors, Shutterstock represents around 40% of their monthly earnings. This is pretty impressive. Shutterstock works equally well for photos, vectors, and video footage. All are in high demand here. The last one is 123RF. Founded in Malaysia in 2005, 123RF has become one of the top agencies in the world of microstock. Among all of the elements that make 123RF a truly recommendable agency, there are general ease of use that extremely simplifies procedure for the contributor. To be eligible, you must pass an admission test by sending 10 photos of your best work. The selection is not very demanding, and the percentage of approved image is one of the highest among all major microstock agencies. That's all for today's lessons. I hope you can try all of these platforms in your home right now.